Back again with the robot. I got a replacement controller. This one didn't work the first time I got it, so I sent it back and got a new one, and even got 2 spares. But we've got our 12 volt supply, or 24 volt. No, just to be sure, it says 48 volts. 48 volt supply, and it's powered up. And if you look at the little lights agree that it says powered up. And so I should be able to turn on one of my motors. That one spins, and now that one spins. So I've got 2 spinning motors, and they're very hard to stop. If I were to try to stop them, I'd jam myself up, because they're geared down like 40 to 1. But now I have potentiometer control, and of course that's meant to be pulse width modulated control, so I can hook it up to my Arduinos. And the next thing will be this gadget. This gadget hooks to each of these optical encoder wheels that were added on. These are factory add-ons, or after factory add-ons. So I got to figure out what model they are, and that way I can read exactly how far it goes and which direction it's going, so the Arduino has positive feedback. Then I'll work on putting a chair on there and seeing if I can crash it into a freezer or something.